So I finally got my chainsaw running after a carb rebuild, all kind of adjustments. Here's the reason I had to get it running. I have 2 trees that have died and must be cut down. 2 pine trees between the fence and my building. Actually 3 pine trees, because that second one has another part growing out of it. But there they are. Tall, thick, and this one's dead, the other one is dying. See, this one has a second part growing out of it, so that'll have to go down first. This one is leaning the wrong way. It wants to fall that way. So I have to figure out how to make it fall that way. But there they are. There's the building. There's the house. There's the fence. So it's got to fall right there. This one I don't think would be a problem because it's leaning in the right direction. The back one is leaning that way. But the top does go this way, so that'll help. But that's what I'm up against. Wish me luck. Main thing is not to hit that corner of the house or the fence over there. Oh well, wish me luck.